Good evening, parents, other family members, and friends, and welcome to Franklin's virtual open house event. My name is Scott Gensmer, and it's my privilege to be the principal here at Franklin Elementary School. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us here tonight. Franklin really is a wonderful school with a long and proud history and a terrific staff of committed and dedicated teachers who have stretched themselves this year like never before in order to give our scholars the best educational experience possible under some very difficult circumstances. I think it goes without saying that we've been living through some unprecedented and historic times during the last 14 months as we've navigated our way through this global pandemic. And despite the challenges that we've faced along the way, I can assure you that all of us at Franklin have done everything in our power to provide our scholars with an outstanding educational experience. Our theme at Franklin this year has been Be Like Water, because water changes and adapts to its environment. Sometimes water can be warm and calm and relaxing, and other times water can be very cold and hard and destructive. So we've all been trying to be like water here at Franklin by pivoting and adjusting to this new environment that we found ourselves in. And I'm very proud of the entire Franklin staff, as well as our scholars and parents, for adjusting and adapting to our new way of learning this year. During a normal year, we would be hosting our open house event in person with a chance for everyone to visit classrooms and see the many different things that scholars have been working on this year. Instead of doing it that way this year, we've created a virtual open house for you to enjoy. Our teachers have all uploaded some photos of their classrooms, and we've created a sort of digital yearbook that will give you a brief view of some of the learning that took place on campus this year. It's not the same as a live in-person event, but we feel it is the next best thing. So enjoy the open house digital yearbook that our teachers have put together for you. Take the time to talk with your children about the many things they've learned this year, and take a tour of your child's Schoology classroom online, which will also give you a good idea of the things they've been working on this year. So thank you again for visiting with us tonight, and thank you for partnering with us during this very unusual school year. I look forward to the time next year when we'll be able to welcome everyone back onto campus for our in-person back-to-school night event. In the meantime, please continue to stay safe and enjoy Franklin's virtual open house.
I love Franklin for its multi-generational students and staff. Franklin is family.
Because my teacher makes me learn.
You love your babies while they're at home with you, and we'll love them while they're here with us at school.
I love Franklin because I've been here since preschool and now I'm in 5th grade, and the teachers like to make the things better for us so we can learn even better.
What I love about Franklin is a sense of community that we all share.
Because everyone here is nice.
What I love most about Franklin is our staff and students. We are a family.
Franklin is a good place, and you can learn so much at Franklin. It is so cool.
I love Franklin's culture because everyone is a peace builder, helpful, and encouraging.
I love the staff and the unity behind it.
I love Franklin because it's the best.